Welcome to a new educational video from Awareness Education. Rabies is a dangerous virus where once symptoms appear, there is a 99% risk of death. Unfortunately, there is no cure. Doctor can only try to reduce the patient's pain. This virus is transmitted by the bite of any rabbit, domestic or wild mammals. It is not transmitted by birds or chickens. Globally, 99% of humans' rabies cases are caused by the bite of stray and unvaccinated dogs. A link to a video on how to identify a rabid dog can be found in the description below. In addition to dogs, this virus can also separate from animals like cats, pets, cow, buffaloes, goats, horse, fox, raccoon, skunks, and beavers. Let's find out how to prevent it and how it enters our bodies to cause death. When a rabid animal licks you, its saliva gets on your body or it bites you, the virus first hides in the muscle cells at that site and multiplies. It tricks our immune system and behaves like a normal cell, so it is not immediately recognized. This is the time when no symptoms appears and everything seems normal. When the number of viruses has increased enough, it evades the immune system's notice, changes direction and heads towards our nervous system. It slowly makes its way through the nerve cells at a speed of about 3 millimeters per hour. When it reaches the spinal cord, its speed and power increase many times over. From here, it begins to climb directly to the brain. Our brain is protected by a strong barrier called the blood-brain barrier, which only allows oxygen and essential nutrients to pass through. This wall also prevents our immune cells from entering the brain, but the rabies virus is a clever enemy. It disguises itself to trick the brain's defense system and slip inside. Once inside the brain, it begins to destroy the neurons. It uses all the brain's energy to separate rapidly. This is the moment when the patient begins to show terrifying symptoms such as fear of light and sound, photophobia and phonophobia. Even a slight light or sound becomes unbearable. Severe fear of water, hydrophobia. When trying to drink water, the muscles in the throat uncontrollably constrict, which makes the patient afraid to drink water. Severe anger, restlessness and aggressive behavior. The patient's mental balance deteriorates and their behavior changes drastically. The muscles of the whole body twitch uncontrollably. The final stage, preparing for death. When all of the brain's energy is depleted, the virus moves back down. It travels through the nerves to every part of the body, such as the heart, liver, kidneys, and salivary glands. By this time, our immune system has woken up, but it is now too late. At this stage, the patient begins to foam at the mouth because they cannot swallow their saliva, and this saliva is full of the virus. Eventually, this terrible virus causes all the body's organs to fail one by one, and the patient dies. Important message: prevention is the only cure. The incubation period for rabies can be anywhere from 7 days to 3 months or even a year. Therefore, if you suspect an animal has bitten, licked or scratched you, go to the hospital immediately and get the rabies vaccine. This is the only way you can save your life from this silent and deadly killer.